In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download code from Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean copy of your project in a single zip file so you can back it up, share it, or work on it locally. First, open Replit in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace overview where you can see your recent projects. Find the project you want to download. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar if you have a lot of replays. Click the project to open it in the editor. Once your project loads, look to the left side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives. If that sidebar looks compressed or you can't see the tool labels, click the panel expand icon to open it up. Expanding the panel gives you the full set of options and makes the next step a lot easier. With the panel expanded, locate the files area, sometimes called the file tree. Click it to bring the file browser into focus. This is where all your project files and folders are listed, including things like your source code, configuration files, and any assets you've added. At the top of the file tree, you'll see a small menu button with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the File Options menu. This menu controls actions for the entire project, not just a single file, which is exactly what we want for a complete download. From that menu, choose Download a Zip. The moment you click it, Replit will bundle your project into a zip archive and your browser will start the download. Depending on your project size and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a bit longer. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated projects directory. A quick tip while it downloads. The zip file typically includes your project's folder structure and code files, along with common configuration files. Items like installed dependencies, databases, or environment secrets may not be included in the archive, so be prepared to reinstall packages or re-add environment variables when you set things up locally. After the download completes, open the zip on your computer to confirm everything you expect is there, your main scripts, any components or modules, and the configuration files you rely on. This check can save time later, especially if you're handing the project off to a teammate or moving it to a different machine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you